How to do bicycle crunches. Ultimate tutorial. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a powerful exercise for sculpting your ABS and strengthening your core. Follow these steps to master proper form and technique. Starting position. Lie on your back with your hands lightly touching behind your head. Lift your legs and bend your knees so that your calves are parallel to the ground. Execution. Lift your head, shoulders, and upper back off the floor. Simultaneously, bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. At the same time, twist your torso to the right. Alternate sides by bringing your left elbow towards your right knee, twisting to the left. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and twist your torso. Inhale as you return to the starting position. Form tips. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement to maximize effectiveness and protect your lower back. Avoid pulling on your neck with your hands. Your ABS should be doing the work. Repetition. Aim for controlled movements. Start with 10 to 15 repetitions per side and adjust as needed based on your fitness level. Incorporating bicycle crunches into your routine can help you achieve stronger ABS and a more stable core. Practice regularly and watch your progress unfold.